how to delete stickers on iPhone messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your stickers on your iPhone messages. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to remove or delete your sticker on iPhone, simply open up your messages or chat, and then you can simply open a particular chat. So in my case, I'll just open one right here. Once you're here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the plus icon that you can see right there on the screen. So you can see plus icon here, you want to tap on it, and then you can see various options. From it, you want to choose stickers. Tap on stickers and you should be able to find the stickers. Now here on the stickers, simply head over to the sticker that you would like to remove. Then you can simply tap and hold on it, so you can see delete option. Once you tap and press and release, it will give you the option to add effect and delete. You can tap and delete and you can go ahead and delete it. This is how you can delete stickers on iPhone messages. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.